How to add nearby friends on Snapchat. So if you want to add nearby friends on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is on the upper left, or you can just simply go with map, which is on the bottom. Now on your map, you need to just turn off your location. And what you need to do is just simply first go with your location where you are right now. So I'll just simply go with my location, which is right here. Now, if you want to add someone from your location, like for example, if I live right here, then you just need to simply tap on the place. And once you tap on it, give you the information. Like for example, if you tap on any place from where you would like to add your friends, then here, once you tap on it, you will have the Snapchat of that person or the videos of that person. And then you can go with the profile, which is on the bottom left, and tap on add, and you will add that person. In the same way, you can go back, go with your Snap Map again, and again pick another place. And here you will have all of the snaps. So you just need simply tap on the snap, and then you can go with the profile, which is on the bottom left, and add this person. So in this way, you'll be able to find your nearby friends on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.